1. Pad Thai. Introduction. Pad Thai is Thailand's most iconic stir-fried noodle dish. Savory, slightly sweet, tangy, and irresistibly aromatic. This flavorful dish combines rice noodles, eggs, tofu, shrimp or chicken, and a tamarind-based sauce, all tossed together in a hot wok for a mouth-watering, street-style experience. Topped with crushed peanuts and fresh lime, Pad Thai is the perfect balance of taste and texture, celebrated globally for its bold flavors and colorful presentation. Ingredients: 8 ounces rice stick noodles medium width, 2 tablespoons tamarind paste, 3 tablespoons fish sauce, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon palm sugar or brown sugar, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 small shallot, finely chopped, 2 eggs lightly beaten, 6 ounces shrimp peeled and deveined or sliced chicken breast, 1/2 cup firm tofu cubed, 1 cup bean sprouts, 3 green onions cut into 2-inch pieces, 1/4 cup roasted peanuts crushed, lime wedges for serving, chili flakes optional, fresh cilantro optional. Step 1. Prepare the noodles. Soak the rice noodles in warm water for 30 to 40 minutes until they become pliable but not overly soft. Drain and set aside. If you're using dried noodles, avoid boiling them, as they'll cook further in the wok later. 2. Make the sauce. In a small bowl, mix together the tamarind paste, fish sauce, soy sauce, and palm sugar. Stir well until the sugar is fully dissolved. This sauce forms the signature sweet, tangy, salty foundation of Pad Thai. Step 3. Cook the aromatics and proteins. Heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a wok or large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the chopped shallots and minced garlic, stir-frying for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Then add the tofu cubes and stir-fry for another 1 to 2 minutes until slightly golden. Push everything to the side of the wok and pour in the beaten eggs. Let the eggs set for a few seconds, then scramble and mix with the tofu mixture. Add the shrimp or chicken and cook until they are just done. Shrimp should be pink and firm. Chicken should be opaque and cooked through. Step 4. Stir-fry the noodles. Add the soaked and drained noodles to the wok, followed by the prepared sauce. Toss everything together gently using tongs or 2 spatulas, ensuring the noodles absorb the sauce and all the ingredients are evenly coated. Stir-fry for about 2 to 3 minutes, adding a splash of water if the noodles begin to stick or look too dry. Step 5. Add vegetables and finish. Add the bean sprouts and green onions and stir-fry for just another minute. These should remain crisp and fresh. Turn off the heat and give everything one final toss. Step 6. Garnish and serve. Transfer the Pad Thai to serving plates. Top generously with crushed peanuts, a wedge of lime, and a sprinkle of chili flakes if desired. You can also garnish with fresh cilantro for a herby finish. Conclusion: Pad Thai is a vibrant, satisfying dish that brings Thai street food culture right to your kitchen. With just a few essential ingredients and a hot wok, you can recreate the perfect balance of flavors and textures. Whether you're cooking for yourself or a crowd, Pad Thai is sure to impress with its rich taste and stunning presentation. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, like, share, and stay updated with our latest videos.